Good morning everyone, welcome back to your SS online class. So yesterday we have done the exercise in our book of chapter number 15, that is our last chapter of the book, and today we are going to do that exercise in our notebook. So all of you take out your SS notebook, then we are going to do the exercise. So all of you take SS copy, write the date 7/2/2022. CW from page number 78. Write the chapter number 15. What is the chapter? Our sky. Okay, and write say yes or no. So all of you note this heading, then we will do. First write the date 7/2/2022. CW chapter number 15, page number 78. Our sky, say yes or no. All of you write this. So I hope you all have written it. What you have to write, that the date first 7/2/2022. CW chapter 15, page number 78. Our sky, chapter name is Our Sky, and write yes or no. Instead of say, you can write yes or no. Okay, write yes or no. So let's do. There is 5 question in your book, so let's do that. The first question is, the sun is a star. What is the first question? The sun is a star. 1 minute. Okay, so the first question is focus. The first question is, the sun is a star. Sun is a star. Okay, we are going to make the box also. The sun is a star. Question number 2. The moon has its own light. What is the question number 2? The moon has its own light. So the second question, the moon has its own light. So the moon has its own light. Next question, 3rd. The earth moves around the moon. What is the third question? The earth moves around the moon. That is our third question. The earth moves around the moon. Third, the earth moves around the moon. This is the bracket. So moon we have to write in capital letter, right? So the earth moves around the moon. Next question, question number 4. The stars are very far away from us. The stars are very far away from us. So the fourth question is the stars are very far away from us. Fourth, the stars are far, very far away from us. The stars are very far away from us. Next, 5. There is no life on the moon. The fifth is there is no life on the moon. So the fifth, there is no life on the moon. So are you able to see this? So let's do it. The first is the sun is a star. The first question is the sun is a star. As I explained you earlier also, the sun is a huge star. Yes, the sun is a star. So the first answer is correct. That is yes. The sun is a star. Yes. Next, the moon has its own light. The moon has its own light. The moon has its own light. No, the moon takes the lights from the reflection of the sun. The moon does not have its own light. It takes the reflection from the sun. So the moon has its own light is wrong. So we write no. No, no. The moon has its own light. No. Next, the earth moves around the moon. The earth moves around the moon. The earth moves around the moon. No, I already had explained you that the earth moves around the sun. The earth takes the round of the sun, not moon. So here it is written the earth moves around the moon. So this is also wrong. So we will write no. Next is the stars are very far away from us. The stars are very far away from us. Yes, the stars are very far away from us. That is why they are look so small, but actually they are not small. They are big, but because they are very far away from us, they look very small. So the stars are very far away from us. So this answer is correct. So we will write yes. Next, there is no life on the moon. There is no life on the moon. Yes, the moon does not have life because there is no water, no air, and it is impossible for a living being to stay without air and water. So this is also yes. So what are the answers? The sun is a star. Yes, the sun is a star. The moon has its own light. No, because moon takes the light from the sun. Next, the earth moves around the moon. No, the earth moves around the sun. Next, fourth, the stars are very far away from us. Yes, the stars are very far away from us. Next, there is no life on the moon. Yes, there is no life on the moon because there is no air and no water. So there is 5. Yes, no, no, yes, yes. What is the first answer? Yes. Second answer, no. Third answer, no. Fourth answer, yes. And fifth answer is also yes. So that's all for today's work. You have to write this one as a homework, class work. and as a homework you have to write name the following. On the same page number 78 it is given name the following. You have to write it in your notebook. One more thing is there that on 8 I am going to take your test, or okay, on 9 I am going to take your test because your full syllabus is completed. So on 9 I am going to take your test, and tomorrow we will do the revision of any questions. Okay, some question we are going to do the revision, and on 9 I am going to take your test. So get ready for the test and do your homework also. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.